Other two cases, the cases have also come against the branch manager of the Central Bank of India, that he was the one, as per the complainants, who was facilitating these old people to go to this Tanvi and get their work done, instead of sending them to the regular employees of the bank. Now this Tanvi, as per the investigation, is not the regular employee of the bank. She is a recovery agent through Vision India platform. So now the accused branch manager, namely Anand he is a native of Satara, Maharashtra. He also is arrested and he is also in today's police custody remand. Now, in this case, there are yesterday 2 complaints registered. Today morning, there is one more complaint also registered against the branch manager as well as against this Tanvi, having swindled the money transferred into her accounts and swindled. And definitely the facilitator, as per all these complaints, is the manager, who is all the time asking, go to work and do your work. As well as when FDs were asked, the FD sheet was asked, the manager is to say that it will be given to you by Tanvi. So now, today morning, from morning now, we have received 17 applications from other people, wherein totally around 51 lakh rupees have been defrauded by both of them as per the complaints. So we are examining this shortly for taking further course of action. We have just received the applications from afternoon now. So the total amount what as of now, 4 cases already registered, 17 application. It's 1 crore 29 lakhs 51,000 rupees that is presently currently on record. This money has been cheated for and transferred into their accounts.